This is the summary created from the video. Lecture 4 Demonstration I. The video begins by guiding viewers through the process of setting up a Java development environment, including installing JDK8, configuring environment variables, and creating a dedicated project directory for writing, compiling, and executing Java programs. Next, it walks through the steps of creating, saving, compiling, and running a simple Java program using the command line, highlighting the importance of matching the class name with the file name to avoid compilation errors. The concept of printing messages to the console is introduced, along with the basics of arrays, including declaring, initializing, and iterating over one-dimensional arrays, as well as calculating the sum and average of array elements. The video then delves in the concept of three-dimensional arrays, demonstrating how to declare, allocate memory, and initialize a 3D integer array using nested loops, with each element initialized based on its indices. With the array elements initialized, the program prints them to the console, showcasing the structure of the 3D array with its 3 phases, 4 rows and 5 columns in each phase, leveraging the system.out.print method for formatted output. In conclusion, the video covers essential topics for Java beginners, including setting up the development environment, compiling and executing programs, handling errors, printing messages, working with arrays of various dimensions, and formatting output using print and println statements. Please stay tuned for more summary videos.